still have mouth to talk, eh? You still have mouth to talk. You still have mouth to talk. You, you. Let me warn you. This is the last time I will talk to you and you talk back at me. You're very lucky this around. The next time you try this road, the next time you try it, I will kill you with my bare hands.
Angel, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
No. This is not the 10th time. I've lost count of how many times this has happened.
Angel.
Mom, we need to do something about this. You can't let him keep beating you like this.
Angel, you won't understand.
I won't understand. What is there to understand, Mom? Mom, he keeps hitting you.
Look, your father is going through a rough patch. He's just going through a lot, okay?
He's going through a lot. Mom, stop making excuses for him. He's just simply a monster.
Angel, no. Don't ever say that about your father again. Your father is a good man. And he loves
Mom, stop! Stop. He doesn't love you. He doesn't love me. He doesn't love anybody. He's just a wicked person. Enough!
You're just a child. You don't understand everything. You think you do, but you don't. Your father is a good man. Like I said, he's just going through a rough time. All we need to do is to understand him and be with him. Okay? And be with him. No, but Angel, we're done talking, okay? It's okay, my child. It's okay. Everything will be fine, okay? Be fine.
Where you? Hello, Aya.
Please, I'm not in the mood.
You're very, very stupid. Eh? Very, very stupid. What mood are you talking about? Eh? Who puts you in the mood? What mood are you talking about? At the time when you're in the mood, I bought you with my heart and money. I own you, woman. Come on, man.
Please,
My friend.
please.
Come on.
I'm not in the mood. Please, don't do this. Stop. I'm sorry. I can't do this. I'm sorry.
Okay. What is it? Are you okay? Is everything alright? Did I do something wrong?
There is something I need to tell you. I haven't told anyone before.
Okay. What is it? See, honey, I love you. I really do. Alright? It doesn't matter, whatever it is you can say to me, you can tell me. I still love you. I'll just say.
Yes.
Talk to me.
I was raped. I was just 18. That was my first sex ever. I still have nightmares of what happened that day. Since then, I have been scared of having sex. I've never really been in an emotional relationship. I mean, until now.
It's okay. It's okay, my love. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't know about it.
It's okay. It's not your fault.
What about the rapist? Do you know him?
Yes. I heard he got into an accident and he died months later.
It's okay. Honey, I'll wait. I'll wait. I'm not in a hurry for this, alright? I'll wait. Anytime you're ready, I'm here for you, baby. Alright? Good. I love you, honey.
I love you too.
That's my love. Okay.
I think I want to try. Yes.
You wanna try it?
Yes. Before I was scared. But now I think I want to try it.
No, honey, I don't want you to do this for me. I don't want you rushing into it, alright?
I am ready and I'm not rushing. I want to try it. At first I was scared because I haven't told you. But now I've told you. I want us to try it.
Okay. Okay, once you feel any pain, just tell me. If you feel uncomfortable, just tell me and I'll stop immediately, alright?
Yeah, it's okay.
That's more like it. Hey, I'm trying to stop this. Stop this everything. Please, I'm trying to sleep.
Hello, Mama? Oh, no. I'm fine. How are you? Obina is fine. Angel too. Mama, Obina is the best thing that has ever happened to me. He treats me like a queen. Yes, Mama. I am so lucky to have him in my life. Yes, Mama. Thank you for calling. Please take care of yourself. Bye.
For how long will you keep living with this life?
Angel, for how long have you been standing there?
Long enough to know that you lied to Mama. Just the way you've been lying to everybody about how Dad treats you.
Angel, please, not now.
You need to open up to somebody. Someone needs to know the truth, Mom.
Angel, please, stop. Stop it.
Mom, let's leave. Let's go to anywhere, somewhere. Let's just go. Let's go to a safer place. Please. You can go anywhere. I will follow you to the village. Or if you don't want to tell Mama about it, we can just rent an apartment and stay there. Mom, I just need you to be safe.
Angel, I am happy.
You're not happy. You're not happy at all. I want to see you smile freely and really mean it. I don't want to come in here and meet you crying. I don't want to have to put a headset just not to hear your screams when Dad is beating you. I don't want you to pretend like you're happy when you're not.
Angel, this is home, okay?
It doesn't feel like home anymore.
This is marriage, Angel. Marriage. It is for better, for worse. That is why I am not going anywhere, ever. Because I am still married to your father. I will stick to him in good times and bad. That is exactly what marriage means. You won't understand. You're only a child.
What if he kills you? What if he beats you one day and then you just die? What are you going to do about it? Mama, I know I'm a child. But at least I know that marriage is not supposed to be this hard. What's the purpose of it then?
Angel, go to your room now.
I'm going to go to my room.
What's your problem? Are you talking to me in that tone? How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you? How dare you? I'm sorry, dear. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Please, I'm sorry, my love.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. I knew it. I knew I turned out just exactly as him. My father. He used to beat my mother, watch him brutalize my mother. He took out his anger on her at every slightest provocation. I told myself that I would never become like him. I would never be like him. Never. Never. But here I am worse than him, trying to kill the woman that I love.
Don't beat yourself about
I'm
it.
so sorry.
You're just angry.
Please forgive me. Don't leave me, please. Just don't leave me like my mother left him, please.
Never.
Promise.
I will not leave you.
Promise.
This marriage
Promise
together.
me.
I promise you. I won't leave you. We're in this together, okay?
I love you.
I love you too. I love you. Angel, go to the room and get me my phone. I want to make a call.
Okay.
You're back.
Now get me my food.
There is no food, but there is cereals. That's what Angel and I took. I could go make some for you.
You're very stupid. Yes, you are. No, I should take cereal. No, why don't you just give me breast milk? Let me suckle. I'm a baby, I should take cereal. My friend, go, gotta get out of here. Go and get me food. Let me eat before I get angry and they say, no, you do something after me.
Remember I asked you for a little money to buy food stuff in the morning. You're getting ready to go. I was wondering if I could get a little money so I can go to the... Please. There is no food stuff in this house. Just a little money so I can go to the market. There is nothing in this house.
So if I don't give you money, you will not get money and make food for me. As every good wife would do. You will not get money and make food for me.
What am I supposed to do?
You're asking me that stupid question. No, you're asking me that stupid question. It's my fault now, right?
That's not what I mean. Remember you asked me to stop working.
Hey. What's that you're carrying?
Oh, this. Our boss gave us a little package at the office just to appreciate our little efforts.
Your boss gave you that?
Yes.
So this is what you do. You go to office and then you ask men to buy you things.
Babe, it was not just me he gave this package to. He gave to everyone in the office.
You like it? Are you having an affair with him?
What?
Do you want to leave me for him?
Babe, why are you sounding like this? Where is all this talk coming from?
Don't. Don't play dumb with me. Oh, you don't think I watch you? I watch you. How you stand before the mirror 1,000 times over. All because you're going to the office. The joy that you carry, I don't understand. And then you go there and then you bring some stupid gift to my house.
You know what? I won't stand here and watch you question my fidelity when I have been nothing but faithful to you.
You're very stupid. You understand? I say you're very... You talk to me in that tone? You're very, very stupid. Now listen to me. This is the last time. You go to that office. This is the last time you walk there. Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
To which work? You didn't hear what I said to you yesterday?
Are you serious with what you said yesterday?
Do I look like a joker to you?
Obina, you're being ridiculous.
What? What? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Are you mad? You talk to me in that tone next time and see what happened to you. Get back to the room. What else are you doing? I said you should get back inside. See what you're wearing to the office.
Ever since that day I stopped work, I don't have any money. That is why I did not prepare anything.
You mean to say I stopped you from having an affair with that stupid boss of yours? Huh?
You know that is not true. I was not having an affair with him.
Whoa. I'm lying now.
No.
Anita, you're calling me a liar. Eh? So you're calling me a liar? Rubbish. Wait, stand up from there. Go and get me my food. Let me eat.
Mom, Dad, Mom is not moving.
Anita, I said, go and get me food. Let me get up from there. Go and get me food. Let me eat.
Mom, please. Mom. Mom. Please. Mom.
Anita.
Mom.
Anita. Babe, come on now. What? Babe, stop this, man. Stop this. Okay. Give me cereal. Give me anything. I will just take. I'm okay. Oh, please, now, please, just wake up. I promise you, I won't touch you again. I will never beat you. I'm so sorry, please. Babe, wake up now. Babe, wake. Oh my God.